the night was so different from all the rest. Darkness now covers the earth. The stars have no glimmer. The moon tries to hide, for in death lies a man of their birth. In a room filled with sorrow, a mother cries, but Jesus, her son, now is gone. For her child sent from heaven was taken away. Heartbroken, she feels all alone. At the feet of his mother, a little boy cries, saying, Mama, I don't understand. I remember the look of love in his eyes that I felt by the touch of his hand. And the King of all ages, the giver of life, for a moment lies silent and still. Then a power sent from heaven came breaking the night. Death must bow to his will. Then a stone, the earth shakes, and the birds start singing. The sun shines, the earth warms, new life is breathing, and that little boy stops crying, and the mother is smiling, but death couldn't hold the King. Oh, the storm moves, the earth shakes, the birds start singing, the sun shines, the earth warms, new life is breathing, and that little boy stops crying, and a mother is smiling. How many know death couldn't hold a king? Death couldn't hold. Death couldn't hold the
Ora taingai vanua de menisi mintia vanua yon banan Hope Radio FM 89. Ya kukuring kan ni kawasan ako imkia ko tayo meton ngongoray rarikin namdiri no nante nga po ngay. Pas lava kiro inga yon namawa ni memeden nano. Ngayon kan ako tao ba yay memeden nano me ko tangira ni kan ngoraya kinna. Kita wam katigiroya ko tangira ni kan ako na ko naro ko tangira ni kan katigiroya. Ina nante nga po ngay. O yan ang kukuring kan ni busmay ko. Yon na unang pandare po ai suwa wo wakia wo wato wana ke tenu wakia ke comments ke ya orang nus makan ka kaitara yon the live menam tapo ane kongo ngora meyai.
mistakes and often slip. I'm just common flesh and bone, but I'll prove someday just why I say I'm of a special kind. For when he was on the cross, I was on his mind. The look of love was on his face, and thorns were on his head. Blood was on his scarlet robe, stained a crimson red. Though his eyes were on the crowd that day, he looked ahead in time. For when he was on the cross, I was on his mind. For he knew me, yes he did, yeah, he loved me. Oh, his glory makes heaven shine. I'm so unworthy, yes I am. Oh, His mercy. Yet when he was on the cross, I was on his mind. I was on his mind.
Ikanta ekina aran Yesu Nakoya ameta nikabane Yeiterawi ke komena yai Taekina Yesu Ikanta ekina aran Yesu Nikaroko aurua kintero Sakarua yaite kantaninga Taekine Yesu Oi sutani kawai Takarua ya Yesu yo ya ai ni pede Yesu ina usu ona puntekina aran Yesu
Warangi ko de medo ngongorai dari kinam riri nonun te hinga pongai te kinarani Yesu nam tabane makuri kita nam tabun deirei kita onda tabane kome mena yaike men kuna mane de songora ya wosirang kane ni karo koiran narata inkai ai wabu te minisi mintia wanua yon banan Hope Radio FM 89 sponde medo na ben wakina ko nanon tia wani memeten nano ngayaran kana ko to pa yei memeten nano kita am katigiroi ako tangire ni kanikana ko ina nunte nga pong awa yung kan namtay ko kita para ke mine no ki pem wasire ita kina pena ko yon na unam pantare pon su wo wa kia o wa to wana get en wa kia ki commenti on the live yen kan te memeten nano are ko so tangire kina ko na bukin te nga pong Otaku te hande memeten nan wayo. Kuna meuri. Napupusi ko me. Kuna katanga memeten nan oto kuna re eririya sinong ketete ingai. Meri ya kain de case me yon korobu. Panaka mewa yon ngongorayay. Ante anataya. Ngaya sa merurong napayay. Nakameuri kong ito sa memeten nan akurang nusma kake santi teuta. Menam tapuan ko ngongoramayay. Ante anataya ki ariata ko patianine. Pondo wana na papatapay noraki. Kunan ngani ko takamerurungaki. Kunan na pa ni karinangim kanaro na pa. Kokarawas pa nga minanunte nga po ngayo. Ngayari mendeta pa no ko timeto ni kakaitaray mayay. Ayong kani memetin nanom. Are po ni memetin nanom. Warata ingai wabi me ono wade minisi mintia wanua. Yon banan Hope Radio FM 89. Ibonang birima kate beda tayo yoki. Ngayere nari mo ang kanya ni kakaurin ko mina ko na biya ni maning anak. Amawa ni memetin na no. Enato kiro ang kanya ntiya waruaywa. Ayo na bang kanya di memetin na no. Aretang ira kinako na ibukinte nga po ngayo. O yata ko tayakan di memetin na no ayo. Kuna meuri di memetin na no. Tayo kami ako nakatanga tuwa na memetin na no. Kuna ya kain teroron di kira kami ipairi kaya nang kinakin na raya te chaikas. Papanao ni kakaita o bukinte merurong te nga po ngay. O ipanao na pa ni kakatikiroy na ko ni po. Nsipangan ang te nga po ngayo ibukiya na sina. O ipon panao na pa ni kakatikiroy ya o kayo mo ay ka. Aw sinikaraon. Awain ko ite memeten na no nanong te nga po ngayo. Nakamewri kong kwete sa memeten na no ki. Taraan te memeten na no ayo ero kumente kayo po kaya tabi ni baby sinano ni merawaki nanong te nga po ngayo. Yapon nangak ko yabay metanki. Yako na ang data nano ni merawa. Awan chepe nanong te nga po ngayo. Ngayon na kami uri kung kwete sa memetin na no may yon nam kaibu ke tarima. Kuna me uri mua. Ayon kane memetin na no marukwari ni ipokon kuna ikarang ni mais. Arieri kina pa ikarape pe ni panam. Nikakaita wa nikaraparapan akong cheso ipukinte merurong. O panam na pe nikakatikiroy na ko ni buom menasim. O ay mararari kina ko yam kay mua. Akanaw sinikaraw ni nanong te nga po ngayo ki. Kuna iyakain de chaikas may bairik. Ayo ngay.
Tara sanitation project ko yon ko tumen rogin naus na kon na rain ti PUB akatya do kay kabo na kon isu akawan tinay nang takanga nora gi bonna gi temetuan buka akero ko yabera naron kay nakutan may sa kay bugin ka temetuan mapuri oy sagin kay nakutari naron kabunganan biba akebo nakatawon menga ko kay nakunan gade gade bono na kon kay nakutan te bubusiya to korir sakani gade gaben ka temetuan sagin no tameron ala kay nakutan.
There's no need standing up for the right unless you're gonna stand up against the wrong. Tell me how you gonna ever stop being weak unless you make your mind up to be strong. Well, you got to do right, 'cause it won't be long. You won't be long. Let me tell you that it's easy to hate your enemies, and it's just as easy to love your friends. They tell me you will have to love alike. The Bible tells you you got to let the love of God come in. Well, you got to do right, 'cause it won't be long. It won't be long. Don't you wanna love him better? Don't you wanna love him more? Can't you hear the Savior knocking? He's a knocking at your door. Don't you wanna make haste to meet your maker before you got to deal with the undertaker? He will take you right now if you are willing. Don't you know the Bible is fulfilling? You got to do right, 'cause it won't be long. It won't be long. You got to do right, 'cause it won't be long. It won't be long. You got to do right. Oh, live the life. You got to do right. Oh, live the life. You got to do right. Oh, live the life. You got to do right. Oh, live a life. You got to do right. Oh, live a life. You got to do right.
Det är inga wabi med den wade ministern kon tia varwaiwa yon banan Hope Radio FM 89. Kwadaya. Mwanta kona kina nonto kukurenga ya daya ba yairo rowe de metu anus on data arane pane pana kon tia swa. Ina nonte nga pongay.
I've got the joy, 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 joy down
Ahora tayo kay wabi meto wana riki teminis kaya mga po siya varwaiwa. Te panani ka kameori na koim kaya ko te meto na pen ngongorai riki namderio. Inanun te nga po ngay men namta pa ngongora mayay. O toy po kong tabi man ako sinuwakin na. Kaya na pang kanit memeten nan wale mga spokos. O ta ko te akan te memeten nan wayo. Era pa towe inanun te nga po ngay. O na kameori ko radio. Tayo kami ako na kanakwa memeten nan o te kunare. Itangiri ko uwe. Pa ay bon narakatigiroi ni kape nga ira ke irura te ke ni meu inanun tangay na yo kurang daraba o nakameuri ko na bang kwete sa memeten na no te meu akapokian kono meuri mo menamta pa no ko ngora meyay ayon kan ni memeten na no are nare ke pare itani panam ni kara para pana kon jeswa ibukin anatangira na ko iran tatabi menira na ko inanun te nga po ngayo.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. 'Cause all my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire and in darkest night. You are close like no other. I've known you as a father. I've known you as a friend. And I have lived in the
Tabi minimawari kita minis man kaya mga po siya waruaywa. Yon banan Hope Radio FM 89. Ako na meron kaya ko day medon nongongorame yon bewa minanunday nga po ngayo. Irang ni memewa miyong ay punta na kairom. Okay, kaya ni pairi kiki merwa ka. Irang ni mais diyo meda yon pairi kindi diya kiki. Tintas ko ke? Yari kina ba uday ni kauring ko de beres wanta kawai. Ari apuinte kawa o no puinto ko sway. Meta ko be irang ni kakawa kina be te bere te taratararoy. Itaw, tikiroy de mananga taratararoy o jeswa rom daina ko.
One day, as he was left alone to die, he began to pray. The Holy Ghost came on him, the Spirit came down. He began to write about the things he saw. The Revelator, his name was John.
Yes, it was John.
John the Revelator saw Jerusalem coming down.
Talk about John.
John the Revelator. And when he looked around, he saw feet like brass, eyes like fire, heard a great voice saying, "Come up higher." John the Revelator wrote about the city of God.
While in the Spirit praying, John turns around to see if the voice he had heard is what it seemed to be. But just like many waters, the great trumpet sounded. He said, "I am the first and last," and the Revelator wrote it down. Talk about it.
John the Revelator saw Jerusalem coming down. I said John the Revelator. And when he looked around, he saw feet like brass, eyes like fire, heard a great voice saying, "Come up higher." John the Revelator wrote about the city of God. John the Revelator saw Jerusalem coming down. John the Revelator, and when he looked around, he saw feet like brass, eyes like fire, heard a great voice saying, "Come up higher." John the Revelator wrote about the city of God. He saw feet like brass, eyes like fire, heard a great voice saying, "Come up higher, come up higher, come up higher." John the Revelator.
Oh, John!
John the Revelator.
Talk about John!
John the Revelator.
I said it was.
John the Revelator wrote about the city of God.
Tabi metawana riki timinis mengkaya mga po tiawa ruwaiwa. Inano ni meora. Ana boni bea ni mais arakan rapekau. Arakan muta. O morara riki ara sisirak. Payaran kaisa meawo. Kaya nga poni ngaira tangani bureki para siburin tayo no kusinariya ini mete. Mero. Yaran kaisa meawo. Ana boni bea ni mais aron ara sisirak metein arakan rapekau me arakan nota mero. Kaya kakin nam sisirak akan ni kapene kana apene tein ano minanun tein ngapong ngei. Sinongora iro ya kainte case na yon kurobo may kaike.
Sisira
men kuna mande de songora wo sirang kanene kar koiran narata hingai ai do wana de minisi minti awarwaiwa yon panan Hope Radio FM 89 awara ayo de de songora resa mangaru kuna peyin to gina kanwan na mawan memeten nano non tinga pongei ngayari apun tabe kamo panau ni kara apa koni ka kai tau ko ibu gini memeten nano maresa sa no sonne pa yeswara inon tinga pongayo aunque no todavía quieren amdan kana kwanya meten nanum keto amkati keroi kwa kira rone kesa ngaponi kai spo kintia waroi te bime wowa ne akunam awam kati keroi era kotangira na kona eto tikero inki ko timeta no ngora yo on the live men namta ban ko ngora me yo sapo mwaki
If you're all by this world in all its beauty, many stately mansions daily you may